we talk about vaccinating and looking at the testing process for COVID, it creates challenges due to windshield time, making sure that we hit all the target populations that are necessary and scattered throughout Nye County. As a third largest geographical by area county, we have a lot of miles to cover, but as you mentioned, population-wise, we have approximately 46,000 people that we're serving. From our logistics standpoint and our crews, windshield time is a big consideration. And when we go into the most remote areas of Nye County, accommodations, making sure that we have the appropriate resources available, we don't simply can't go back to the store or the county health office in order to get the supplies or vaccines that may be required. So we really have to rethink the process, make sure we have all the supplies and the materials necessary to complete the pods. So one of the things we do is we recognize fixed facilities that are available to us that have the necessary infrastructure to complete the mission. We have to have lavatories, we have to have the environments where people either can stay in their cars and do drive-through pods, or they go into the facility itself and then maintain the spatial considerations and the distancing. So in addition to our fixed facilities, we've also embraced a mobile approach where we repurpose certain pieces of fire apparatus to go out into the community and serve these people as well.
That's the biggest part is letting them know that we're going to be there. And we've relied on a lot of the community services out there, the outreach, the food pantries. So far, all we've used the mobile units for is to reaching out to some of the homeless populations and some of the homebound persons, and just letting the senior center gives us a list of who they have that they know is homebound, can't leave, and we get their addresses and go meet up with them.
Or I think what we've experienced most often is that they're very grateful that we're thinking of them and we're getting the vaccines out to them. And thus far we've received favorable feedback as to how the vaccination pods are going.